Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today we're diving into something truly extraordinary. The all-new 2026 Mercedes Maybach Mythos SL. This isn't just a luxury car, it's a statement of art, power, and exclusivity wrapped into one breathtaking machine. Mercedes has taken the Maybach brand to a level beyond imagination, and the Mythos SL is proof that ultra-luxury and high performance can live together in perfect harmony. So buckle up as we explore everything from the stunning exterior, the royal interior, heart-pounding performance, and what it'll cost to own this automotive masterpiece. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Maybach Mythos SL is its presence. This car doesn't just arrive, it commands attention. Every curve, every line, and every chrome detail screams elegance and dominance. The front fascia features a massive Maybach-specific grille with vertical chrome slats that shimmer like jewelry under the light. The sleek LED digital light headlamps are both futuristic and intimidating, giving it a distinct identity even at night. The hood is long and sculpted, hinting at the power underneath, while the side profile flows with graceful aerodynamics that enhance its luxury roadster personality. You also get the retractable soft top that folds seamlessly in just a few seconds, transforming the Mythos SL from a coupe-like grand tourer into a wind-in-your-hair luxury experience. The rear end is pure sophistication. Slim OLED taillights, quad exhaust tips finished in polished chrome, and the Maybach badge subtly embedded into the trunk lid all make a statement that this isn't a regular SL. It's a rare breed. Massive 22-inch forged wheels with the signature Maybach two-tone finish complete the exterior, blending performance aesthetics with opulent craftsmanship. Step inside, and you immediately realize why the Mythos SL belongs in a different world altogether. Mercedes Maybach has redefined interior luxury. The cabin is wrapped in the finest Napa leather, handcrafted with diamond stitching and bespoke color combinations that can be customized for each owner. The seats aren't just seats, they're thrones. They come with multi-contour adjustments, heating, cooling, massage functions, and even neck warmers for open-top driving. The steering wheel is wrapped in a mix of leather and wood, giving that classic Maybach feel, while the ambient lighting glows elegantly through the door panels and dashboard with over 60 customizable colors. The center console is dominated by a massive vertical OLED touchscreen running the latest MBUX infotainment system, designed specifically for Maybach models. It's intuitive, futuristic, and extremely responsive. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, showing everything from navigation maps to G-force meters and crystal-clear graphics. Burmester's 4D high-end surround sound system takes in-car audio to another level, using seat-integrated resonators that literally let you feel the music. Even the air vents are finished in polished metal and the buttons have a jewel-like click, showcasing Mercedes' obsession with perfection. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Maybach Mythos SL doesn't hold back. Under the hood, it packs a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine developed by AMG, delivering an astonishing 750 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. Power is sent to all four wheels through the 9-speed automatic transmission with 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum grip and smooth acceleration. This luxury grand tourer rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, which is insane for a car that weighs nearly 2 tons. The top speed is electronically limited to 200 mph, but it's the way this car delivers power that truly impresses. It's smooth, silent, and effortless, a perfect balance between Maybach's serenity and AMG fury. The adaptive suspension system uses active body control, scanning the road ahead to adjust damping in real time for a magic carpet ride. Whether you're gliding through city streets or pushing it on open highways, the Mythos SL maintains absolute composure. It even has Maybach-specific drive modes that focus on comfort and elegance, ensuring that passengers experience pure luxury even when the car is performing at its peak. What's really interesting is that the 2026 Maybach Mythos SL is not mass-produced. It's part of the ultra-exclusive Mythos series, meaning production numbers are extremely limited. Each car is handcrafted by Maybach specialists, and owners are even invited to the factory to witness their car being built. That level of personalization is what sets the Mythos apart from any other luxury vehicle on the planet. In terms of pricing, exclusivity comes at a price, and a big one. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Mythos SL starts at around $1.8 million. But with custom finishes, color schemes, and bespoke options, the final price can easily exceed $2 million. That places it in the same league as the Rolls-Royce Boattail and the Bentley Bacalar, ultra-luxury cars designed for a handful of clients worldwide. But for those who can afford it, the Mythos SL offers something truly unique. The power of AMG, the comfort of Maybach, and the open-top thrill of the iconic SL heritage. Driving the Mythos SL is an experience unlike any other. The V12 whispers power. The cabin cocoons you in silence, and every touchpoint feels like it was crafted specifically for royalty. It's not just transportation, it's an emotion, a lifestyle, and a piece of art in motion. So, there you have it. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Mythos SL, where performance meets perfection and luxury transcends boundaries. This isn't just a car review. It's a glimpse into the future of what ultimate automotive craftsmanship looks like. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most luxurious and powerful vehicles ever made, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive car reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Until next time, this is your host signing off. Stay passionate, stay powerful, and always keep driving your dreams.